Your first question is deferment of adult franchise for 15 years was advocated in Constituent Assembly by. Your options are A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Maulana Azad, or D. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Right answer is C. Maulana Azad. Your question is here are two statements. Statement A. The Constitution of India provides for all necessities of the country. Reason R. It is known or called as adopted constitution. In relation to aforesaid, which one is true? A. A and R both are true and R is correct explanation of A. B. A and R both are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is wrong. Or D. A is wrong but R is true. Right answer is B. A and R both are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Your question is the state emblem was adopted by Government of India on. Your options are A. 15th August 1948, B. 2nd October 1947, C. 26 January 1948, or D. 26 January 1950. Right answer is D. 26 January 1950. Question is, in which year was Jan Gan Man adopted as the national anthem of India? Your options are A. 1948, B. 1949, C. 1950, or D. 1951. Answer is C. 1950. Question is, year of birth and death of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Your options are A. 1886, 1951, B. 1891, 1956, C. 1877, 1961, or D. 1889, 1961. Right answer is B. 1891, 1956. Your question is, B.R. Ambedkar was elected to the Constituent Assembly from. Your options are A. West Bengal, B. Bombay Presidency, C. Middle India, or D. Punjab. Right answer is B. Bombay Presidency. Question is, Constitution Day of India is celebrated on. Your options are A. 26th October, B. 26th November, C. 26th January, D. 15 August, or E. None of the above, more than one of the above. Right answer is B. 26 November. Your question is, Indian Constitution was adopted by. Your options are A. Constituent Assembly, B. British Parliament, C. Governor General, or D. Indian Parliament. Right answer is A. Constituent Assembly. Question is, Constitution of India came into force on. Your options are A. 26 January 1950, B. 23rd January 1950, C. 15 August 1947, or D. 26 December 1949. Right answer is A. 26 January 1950. Question is, Indian Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on. Your options are A. 26 November 1949, B. 15 August 1949, C. 2nd October 1949, or D. 15 November 1949. Right answer is A. 26 November 1949. The question is, the Constitution of India was enacted on 26 November 1949 by the. Your options are A. Constituent Assembly, B. Governor General of India, C. Parliament of India, or D. British Parliament. Right answer is A. Constituent Assembly. Your question is, the Constitution of India was completed on. Your options are A. 26 January 1950, B. 26 November 1949, C. 11 February 1948, or D. None of the above is correct. The answer is B. 26 November 1949. Your question is, consider the following statements. First, the design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 26 July 1947. Second, the wheel in national flag has 21 spokes. Third, the ratio of the width of the national flag to its length is 3:4. Which of the above statements is or are correct? A. 1 and 2, B. 1 only, C. 2 and 3, or D. 2 only? Right answer is B. 1 only. The design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947. Your question is, who was the chairman of the National Flag Committee? Your options are A. C. Rajagopalachari, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. J.B. Kripalani, or D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Right answer is B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Your question is, when did the Constituent Assembly adopt the national flag? Your options are A. 26 July 1947, B. 23rd July 1947, C. 25th July 1947, or D. 15 August 1947. Right answer is A. 22nd July 1947. The question is, the first draft of the Constitution was prepared by. Your options are A. B.R. Ambedkar, B. B.N. Rao, C. K. Sanathanam, or D. K.M. Munshi. Right answer is B. B.N. Rao. Your question is, July 26 was selected as the date for the inauguration of the Constitution because. Your options are A. The Congress had observed it as the Independence Day in 1930, B. On that day the Quit India movement was started in 1942, C. It was considered to be an auspicious day, or D. None of the above. Right answer is A. The Congress had observed it as the Independence Day in 1930. Your question is, the Constitution of India was adopted and enacted on. Your options are A. 26 January 1950, B. 11 February 1948, C. 26 November 1949, or D. None of the above dates. Right answer is C. 26 November 1949. Your question is, Constitution was adopted by Constituent Assembly on. Your options are A. 15 August 1947, B. 13 June 1948, C. 26 November 1949, or D. 26 January 1950. Right answer is C. 26 November 1949. Question is, the Constitution of India was adopted on which date? Your options are A. 26 January 1950, B. 26 November 1949, C. 26 January 1949, or D. 15 July 1947. Right answer is B. 26 November 1949. Your question is, consider the following statements and choose the correct answer by using the quotes given below. Assertion A. India is a democratic country. Reason R. India has a constitution of its own. Quote A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. Or D. Both A and R are false. Right answer is B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Your question is, who amongst the following advised that the Indian National Congress should be disbanded as a political party after the independence of India? Your options are A. C. Rajagopalachari, B. Jai Prakash Narayan, C. Acharya Kripalani, or D. Mahatma Gandhi. Right answer is D. Mahatma Gandhi. Your question is, who was the president of the Indian National Congress at the time of partition of India? Your options are A. J.B. Kripalani, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, D. C. Rajagopalachari, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is A. J.B. Kripalani. The question is, in their nationalist reaction, the founding fathers of Indian Constitution tended to minimize the importance of minority interests and emotions. This view is credited to A. Morris Jones, B. Hartgrave Jr., C. Alexandrovitz, or D. Ivor Jennings. Right answer is D. Ivor Jennings. Your question is, Constituent Assembly was Congress and Congress was India. Who said this? A. Austin, B. C.R. Attlee, C. Winston Churchill, or D. Lord Mountbatten. Right answer is A. Austin.